Hi reception, Mrs. Bradley here. Now today we're going to be learning our teens numbers. There are a few things that I'm going to use today, and if you have them at home, you may want to use them too along with my lesson. So I have got some things to count. I'm using pom-poms. I also have some other little bits and bobs in here. I've got some nice sticks that I'm going to use for counting. You could even use things like bottle tops. So get a little collection of things that you can count with today, up to 20. We're going to use them to help represent a number as an amount. I have also got some numbers and some matching amounts. Now we sent these out with our planning this week, so you can print them off or you can just make some numbers and get that amount. But I've got our matching numbers and amount cards. I've also got some tens frames that go up to 20. I've also made a part whole model. We have sent one with the planning this week. You can make one of these really easily. It's just one big circle and then two smaller circles. These are the teens numbers. These are the numbers that come after 10 and before 20. We're going to have a go at counting them. Will you count them with me? We're going to start at number 11. Are you ready? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And 19 is the number before 20. Well done, really good counting. What we'd like you to do now is to pick one of those numbers and have a go at making it somehow. You might want to make it with the objects that you've got. You might want to show it in a drawing or a picture, but we'd like you to have a go at making it. Off you go. I've used my sticks, I've used my dabbers, pom-poms, beads, sequins, and my tens frames. It's really important to know what the number looks like as an amount, not just as a number. So that's why we're doing this activity, so that you understand what number 12 looks like, what number 11 looks like, and how it's different. Now might be a good time to get your number cards and your amount cards and have a go at matching them. So just put the numbers out first and then see if you can find the matching amount to go with a number. Good luck! If you do not want to do this or don't have the number cards, you can do something else with the resources you have. For example, you can pick a number and then make that number. So I'm using a tens frame to help me here just to organise my pom-poms, but I'm going to make number 12 using my pom-poms. Another way of exploring this is by using a part whole model. You can put all your objects in the whole part at the top, and then we're going to split them up into two parts to show what that number is made up of. So for example, number 11, I'm going to move some into one part and the rest into another, and I can see that if I have 7 and 4, that makes 11. And when I put them all back in together again, I can see that's 11. Because we've been learning about mini beasts, we thought it might be quite fun to make a number line with using one of the teens numbers that looks like a caterpillar. So you're going to need some paper and some pens or something to print with for this next bit of the activity. Choose a number between 11 and 19. Draw a circle, that's going to be the caterpillar's head, and write that number inside. Now we're going to make the body. We need to make sure that we are making the same amount of circles as the number that's in the face of the caterpillar. So if you've put 11 in his head, you need to have 11 circles. And there he is, number 11. You might want to use the resources you collected. I'm going to use the pom-poms again to make the body of my number 13 caterpillar, just to be a little bit different. But I'm making sure I'm counting really carefully so I don't miss any. The most important part of this is to count really carefully. Say the numbers as you're printing or drawing or placing your pom-poms down. I've had so much fun making my number caterpillars. I wonder what numbers you're going to choose. I wonder what colour you're going to make them. I hope you've had fun. Well done for all your hard work today. See you next time. Bye.